The self-drilling dowels are steel fasteners designed to create a tight fit for connections between timber with internal knife plates. They are made of hardened steel, resulting in high shear resistance. The self-drilling dowel features a drilling tip that eliminates the need for pre-drilling in wood, aluminum, and thin steel plates, making it easy to install. The continuous thread helps to prevent slippage out of the knife blade, reducing the force needed for installation. The concealable head is designed to be used with AW40 bits and is small enough to be easily countersunk in a wood member. You can use a wood plug for fire protection. Installation is simple. All you need is your dowel, a cordless drill, a circular saw or chain mortiser, and a measuring tape. We begin with installing the steel knife plate onto the concrete. In this case, we pre-installed it. Notice that there are no existing holes in the knife plate. We now cut a slot in the cross-laminated timber and place the CLT onto the knife plate. We pre-cut the slot for this demonstration, but it can be cut using a circular saw or chain mortiser and should be approximately 1/16 of an inch wider than the knife plate. It is important to leave half an inch between the wood and the knife plate, so the plate doesn't contact the timber. Failing to leave a space could result in the knife plate acting like an axe under compression forces and splitting the wood. Once the knife plate has been fitted in the slot in the CLT, the dowel edge distances need to be measured and the holes marked. This is done on site or in advance. We can now pre-drill the holes for the dowels with a 1/4 inch bit. Make sure to make a hole the length of the dowel. We can now install the dowel. As you can see, the thread is driving the dowel forward, and the whole installation is done with a simple cordless drill. If you want to conceal the connection, just countersink your dowel and add a wood plug. Thanks for watching.